Alright, so in this video I'll do just a brief explanation how to take apart this Lippert hydraulic jack lift motor. So ours is already apart, just to give you an idea how it is already. I'm not going to be able to put it back together at the moment to do a complete teardown again, but I'll just give you a heads up how to do it. So, where's this cap? Where's that side? Okay, so you're going to have this piece would be right here. You can have this C-clip, take it out. Don't take out the big one, just this one. Then on this side, you're gonna have a 13mm nut. We end up damaging it, but just so keep in mind, this is a reverse thread bolt. So I wasn't aware of it, so we end up damaging it, but we'll get it figured out. So most important, reverse thread, so make sure you're unscrewing it the opposite side. Once you unscrew that bolt, you're gonna give it a light tap, basically right here, and it's gonna pop out of here. Oh yeah, make sure you take these two 10mm screws out as well before doing anything. So basically, once you get the C-clip out, you remove these bolts, the 10mm, and you get this nut off, the 13mm nut. It's reverse thread. You're gonna be able to tap it out right here, out of this, and then basically slide it out of this cover. And this is what the issue was with ours. The brushes were completely falling apart, and I end up getting a new set of brushes. So I ordered this on Amazon. That's the part number. And make sure you mark it which side is which. Do like a scrape, some kind of scrape, so you know where it's coming from, not to mix it up later.